Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Sunday, March 4th. Really beautiful day. What better way to celebrate a Sunday than how about a barbecue? How does that sound? Yeah, barbecue. We're doing a little barbecue here outside. We got the meat here. This is called 7 steak. It's really good. It's a really big piece of steak, not real thick. Comes out really tender, especially if you use I like using this here. It's Uncle Chris's steak seasoning. Pretty good. We got the sausage. I like the garlic kielbasa. The kielbasa garlic. And that's just the way I'm spending my Sunday today. Hope you like it. I'm gonna put an update here, make part 2 when we're eating it.